This is basically a wireless sensor network for monitoring agricultural fields and plots. This is the cooling fan, this is the motor, this is the soil moisture sensor, so this is connected to the soil. This is humidity and temperature sensor, DHT11. So this basically works on the principle like the communication between the plot and the master would take place using the Zigbee, and this would send a message to the user using this GSM module. So we'll connect this. So when it is in the dry condition, the soil is dry, the motor turns on over there. As we put water over here, the motor turns off. And the message is sent on the phone number which is being registered in the code that we run. So this is the message that the motor is turned on or off. So as we put this in the dry soil again, so it will again turn on, the motor would turn on. And as we switch it to the wet soil again, it will switch off. And so similarly we get the message over here that the motor is turned on. So this is the serial monitor where the values of the sensor would be displayed over here. Whatever values are read by the sensor would come over here. The humidity value, the temperature value, and the condition of the motor and the fan, whether it is on or it's off. So that would be displayed. Okay. So as it crosses the threshold, like the temperature value is 33. If it's above 33, the cooling fan would turn on, and if it's below 33, it would turn off. Similarly, we have kept the condition for this the humidity also, that if it crosses 44, it will turn on, the motor would turn on. And similarly for soil moisture value, if it crosses 27, the motor turns on. So that's the dry soil. Okay. The threshold for cooling fan is, like if the temperature goes beyond 33, the cooling fan turns on. This is the temperature sensor. So as the temperature goes above 33, this turns on, and if it's below that, it turns off. So right now the value for temperature is below 33, so it's turned off. As soon as it crosses 33, it will turn on. It crosses 33, so the cooling fan turns on. This effect can be used in greenhouse.